Understanding the phrase, pass the buck. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, pass the buck. This phrase is widely used in English-speaking countries, and understanding it can help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's get started and unravel the meaning and usage of pass the buck. Pass the buck is an idiomatic expression that means to transfer responsibility or blame from oneself to another person. It's often used in situations where someone doesn't want to take responsibility for a decision or action and instead tries to make someone else responsible. Imagine you're working on a group project, and something goes wrong. Instead of admitting their mistake, a team member says, "It wasn't my fault. The instructions were not clear." This is a classic example of passing the buck. The phrase, pass the buck, has its roots in the world of poker. In the 19th century, a marker or a buck was used to indicate which player was next to deal the cards. If a player did not want to deal, they could pass the buck to the next player. Over time, this concept was generalized to mean avoiding responsibility by passing it on to someone else. To help you understand how to use this phrase, here are a few examples. After the project failed, the manager tried to pass the buck to his team, blaming them for the mistakes. Instead of solving the issue, the customer service representative passed the buck to another department. It's important not to pass the buck. Taking responsibility for your actions is a sign of integrity. Understanding synonyms and related phrases can enrich your vocabulary. Here are some phrases that convey similar meanings: shifting the blame, dodging responsibility, pointing the finger at someone else. These phrases can be used interchangeably depending on the context, but they all revolve around the idea of avoiding taking responsibility. And there you have it. A closer look at the phrase, pass the buck. Remember, while it's a commonly used expression, it's often associated with negative behavior. Understanding such phrases not only helps you with language learning but also gives you insight into cultural attitudes towards responsibility and accountability. We hope this video has been informative and helps you on your journey to mastering English. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language tips. See you in the next video.